If you wanna watch full video using mobile, so here is the method of watching full video. For this you have to install Patreon application in your mobile. Here is Patreon app I have already installed. For this, if you are using iOS device, you have to go App Store, and if you have Android device, so you have to go in your Play Store app. So I have iOS device, so that's why I will go to App Store. So here I will type here Patreon, Patreo, and Patreon. So here is Patreon. I will tap here, and here I can see Patreon. I have already installed, that's why the App Store is showing here open icon. I will press open. After opening app, here you can see screen like this. Add find creator. We will tap here and write here RECO PK, RECOPK. So here you can see, here is our Patreon RECO PK. So for watching full video, you can select this video. It is my last upload. So from here you can see my full video. So that's how we can watch our full video using mobile device. If you want to watch full video at your PC or laptop, so you have to grow any browser. I have Safari browser. At Safari browser, we will type Patreon, 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 and after opening this website, we will click add find creator, and here we will type recopk, RECOPK. After typing and after entering recopk, we will find here recopk CNC mastery starts here. So this is our page. After opening, you can see here the join for free. For free joining, you can see only preview of our video. For after free joining, you can see only the preview of our video. So here you can see these are all videos of recopk. So if you wanna see membership, here is the membership of our recopk. Here is the $5 membership, the special parameters and tips of CNC control. So this is the cheapest membership of recopk. And here is a $9 membership, which is specially for DIY CNC machine manufacturing guides and the designs of the CNC machines, which include 2D drawing, 3D models, and my recent projects. So here is the $9 membership, and the third one is the $19 membership, which is specially for our retrofitters. Here I will show the tool changer, the ATC, the servo motor tricks and tips, and each and everything and every knowledge related about retrofitting. So this is our Patreon page. So that's how you can watch our full video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.